We celebrated our anniversary at this place, and it was a magical and unforgettable experience. We wanted to celebrate something so special, and we couldn't have chosen better. Flying in a hot air balloon at sunrise, with those incredible views of the valley and the pyramids, made everything even more romantic. The staff was super friendly and attentive at all times. They made us feel very comfortable and well taken care of. Without a doubt, a memory we will always treasure and definitely want to repeat. From the moment we arrived, the team was incredibly friendly and professional. They explained the entire process calmly and instilled a great sense of security. The takeoff was smooth, and the view simply spectacular. Being able to watch the sunrise from the balloon, floating above the landscapes, was magical. Sharing this experience with family is something to be grateful for the beautiful moments we shared and for the beautiful views that nature gives us. Flying in a hot air balloon was magical. The sunrise from up high left me speechless. A wonderful experience. An incredible adventure. The whole team was professional and friendly. Seeing the landscape from above is unforgettable. Great experience with the tour guide Adi and Captain Jonathan. This was a great birthday experience and I would definitely do it again. Adi and Jonathan were great. Jonathan was the captain and we had a smooth landing and takeoff. Adi was a great host, very kind and accommodating. Overall 10/10 experience. Such a great tour. Picked us up from hotel, Adi was very helpful. Such a great tour, will recommend. Such a great caption on the hot air experience. The hot air balloon ride was amazing, our guide was super friendly and attentive. I highly recommend this experience with them. Wonderful tour. Had to wait for rain to pass and the guides were extra accommodating, letting us stay dry in the van. Hot air balloon was stellar. Great for kids. The hot air balloon ride was fantastic. We also really enjoyed the breakfast in the cave. We highly recommend it. Super fun. The balloon ride was long enough for what I expected. The breakfast in the cave was delicious. One of the only tours I've been on where the food was pretty good. The pyramids were very interesting and I enjoyed looking at the site by myself versus having a tour guide with me. Will recommend this to friends.